Hey guys, welcome back to Reading and Writing Refuge. I'm Heather, and I've got the weekly prompt for you guys right here, if you're ready. So I think I'll cut it down to, let's say 10 minutes writing time today for your prompt. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole, why you should be doing prompt-based writing, how to do prompt-based writing. You can watch the first video. It's on my channel. I'll link it in the description. But basically, I'm going to show you the prompt. I'm going to read it. I'll show it. I'll put a picture up on the screen as well. And then we're going to have a blank screen with just some swirly lights or clouds or something for the next 10 minutes. And then I'll come back to you and give you a little talk about this prompt and why I chose it. And are you ready? So pause the video. Go get your writing material. Go get your sketch pad if you're doing art. Just be ready. So pause, get some water, whatever you need. And then I will give you this prompt and we will get started. Okay. I'll read it and I'll also put a picture of the prompt up on the screen. So at the end of the video, when we're done writing, I'll tell you why I have this particular prompt and why I chose it for you guys today. Okay, you ready? It was my turn to dig. My turn to dig. So what does that mean to you? What comes immediately to your mind? You need to go with it and don't edit. Don't think too much. Just go with whatever came to mind. You got 10 minutes to write. We are at the halfway mark and you're doing phenomenal. How did that go? Were you able to create? Did you write? Did you get something inspiring from this little bitty prompt on a piece of paper? And so this prompt has been hanging up on my writing cork board by my desk for about probably 8-ish years. And I had presented this at my writing group, and for whatever reason that day, I just wasn't feeling it and I wasn't able to write. So I kind of folded it up, tucked it in my pocket, and put it up on my cork board. And I thought I'll come back to that at some point. And here we are, probably 8 years later. I'm bringing it to you guys. I hope it was inspiring, and I hope you were able to write and create. I'm sure that was a pretty vivid prompt for most of you guys. So I hope it was great, and I will see you on the next prompt. And definitely go check out the Power of Prompt-Based Writing video if you didn't watch that yet. I think you will find that it is very inspiring. All right, guys, happy holidays, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Bye.